Okay, friends, we are now going to do commands and exclamations on page 38 and 39. This is your writing notebook. I want you to flip it over, turn it around, grammar and writing notes. Okay, so the first day we said, what's a sentence? So we can flip this page over and quiz ourselves. So what's a sentence? A sentence is who or what something is about, and it tells us what is happening. A group of words that tells a complete thought, who or what and what happens. Okay? And we did some examples, and we did some homework on page 33. Then we also did statements. And I'm going to cover this up. So what is a statement? Let's review. A statement ends with a period, right? And it tells something. Okay, so for example, he runs fast, or she loves butterflies. And then a question is a sentence that is asking something. And it ends in a question mark. So for example, who is the new girl, right? Then we did some homework. Now what we're going to do is turn our page over to a fresh page. We're going to draw our line down part of our paper, and we're going to write command. So a command is a sentence that tells someone to do something. Okay. Now remember, if I write too fast, you can pause the video and get caught up, okay? Now this also ends with a period. Okay? All right, let's do some examples. Examples would be please hold the door. Okay. Or another example, we don't need to write this, but would be watch the ball. So like I'm commanding you to watch the ball. Okay, now the other part that we're going to learn about is exclamation. Okay, a sentence that shows strong feeling. And strong feeling is such as excitement, surprise. There's an R right there. Or fear. And I should put fear down here, sorry. Okay, I have a nice little whiteout, so I'm going to do the whiteout. I want you guys to be writing with pencils, but I'm using pen because it shows up better on the video. Okay, now what would this end with? What's an exclamation? What would that end with? Ends with an exclamation mark, like that. Okay. Example, she hit a home run. She hit a home run. She hit a home run. I'll move this up. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to try again. Pause the movie if I wrote too fast. All right, we're gonna try some on our own together. I mean, we're gonna do some together. Okay, so it says each sentence is command or exclamation. So we need to write that. They want us to tell us. So baseball is great. Well, it has an exclamation, so you know it has to be E. Okay. And please play with us. Well, that's a command, isn't it? Because they're commanding us to play with us. Pick up the bat. Again, a command. It's kind of easy because if you see the exclamation, then you know it has to be an exclamation. Okay, so here comes the ball. Hit the ball hard. It's over the fence! Exclamation. Okay, so that's not hard at all. So now let's go into look at our assignment for this skill. Okay, so we'll go back to our notes, and under our notes, I want you to write page 39, today's date, and you're going to do numbers 7 through 14. Okay, so number 1, let's work this out together. Okay, write each sentence correctly. The word in parentheses will tell you if the sentence is a command or an exclamation. So they gave, oh, and I see they made some mistakes here. How do we start a sentence? Well, we need to start it with a capital, right? So, she is a great pitcher, exclamation mark. She is a great pitcher. So they rewrote that. Okay, so the first one, number 7, Paul caught the ball with an exclamation. So we need to have a capital at the beginning of a sentence and an exclamation mark at the end. Okay? Alright, so if you look down, these are not hard sentences to write. These are 4-word, 3-word sentences. So some of you are probably like, I have to write all that? Yes, you have to write all this. It's not hard. I know you can do it. Okay, so this is actually number 7. How you're going to write it is a capital P-A-U-L. Paul caught the ball with an exclamation mark. Okay, number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Okay, you can do this. And then make sure you take a picture of it and show me in Dojo. Nice job, friends. Kiss your brain.